Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to do a very compact review of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro has a 6.3-inch Full HD bezel-less display with a stylish waterdrop notch and a 1080p by 2340 pixels resolution. It comes with an Aura design which provides an immersive experience to the users. It comes with Gorilla Glass 5 on both sides, the front and the rear, while a plastic rim runs around the edges. The phone's glass rear panel has a curved design and has the Redmi logo. The company has stated that the phone is protected from liquid damage due to watertight seals as well as use of rubber insulation for the SIM tray, volume rockers and the power button. On the left side of the phone is a hybrid dual SIM tray that can take a microSD card up to 256GB capacity. The headphone jack and the IR emitter are placed on the top of the phone, while the speaker and the USB Type-C ports are on the bottom of the device. The fingerprint sensor is located on the rear of the phone. Talking about the camera, the Redmi Note 7 Pro has a dual 45MP plus 5MP rear camera setup and a 13MP front camera. The 48MP camera of this phone produces one of the best pictures in the market of budget phones. Here is the sample of a picture taken by the 48MP camera. The camera also, when compared to other budget phones such as Samsung M30 Pro and Vivo V15 Pro, the Redmi Note 7 Pro performed better than M30 Pro and equal to V15 Pro. It also has a night mode, and here is a quick comparison. The device comes with a mammoth 4000 mAh battery with Qualcomm's quick charge technology. A phone is a good option for heavy users since it does not require to be charged frequently. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro is powered by an octa-core processor with Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 chipset. It has 4GB of RAM, which helps the device for multitasking, and Adreno 612 GPU, which can easily handle most games and offers an immersive experience to the users. Now, Pubg running on high graphics in a budget smartphone is not something we see frequently. Now lastly, talking about the price, the 4GB and 64GB variant comes at Rs 12,000 and 6GB 128GB variant comes at Rs 14,000. So guys, that is it. If you want a budget smartphone, this smartphone is a great one to buy, and I think the Redmi Note 7 Pro is gonna rule the market of budget smartphones for a while now.